Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be talking about xTool's new product lineup here. And what I mean by that is their new DIY kits. These are essentially boxes they're going to be sending out to you that's going to merge the laser world with the electronic world. Some of these are going to be strictly laser use only, such as like layered murals, those kind of things. They gave me 5 different ones to choose from. These are the 2 that I chose, was the projector and the music box. The bigger box is the projector. The smaller box here is the music box. It just comes in a standard looking box here. I'll show you the insides of the box here in just a moment, a real quick preview. I don't want to bore you too much with the unboxing. It'll be super fast. But let me go ahead and talk about what these are essentially for first. These are going to be boxes that you'll go to xTool's website. I'll put the links down in the description below. You can then buy whatever kit you want. It'll probably have a preview of what it'll look like. And then they'll ship the kit to you. You can cut out all the parts with your laser and then resell the kit as is to your customers if you want to make a profit that way and have your customers do the assembling. Or you can assemble the end product, sell it to your customers even higher and make a different, higher profit off of it for your small business there. So it's a super cool concept. This is something brand new that I haven't seen from any other company yet. So this is kind of a cool thing that xTool is doing here, and they're allowing me to be the first to share with you guys. So this is kind of a quick first look at this product here. I'll show you guys a close-up of these in just a second as well. But let's go ahead and show you what's in the box. We're going to do the cutting. And then we're going to do the close-up, and I'll let you guys hear the music box actually play. It's super cool. Let's jump into this. Essentially, you get an entire pack of material here. There's going to be multiple sheets. There's about 2 of each type that you need. You'll see that here later on in the video. And then you have the actual plugs right here that comes in the package. You have the music box assembly itself that comes right here. So that's super cool. You'll see the actual keys in there. So this is going to be used to use the paper cards here, which is the next thing in this box. So the paper cards are these right here. So this is going to be actual musical notes. And then the music is going to be read off of these little punch holes here. So that's super cool. I can't wait to put this together, show you guys what it's going to look like. So I'm sure that this one looks a little bit more complicated out of the 2, but we're going to talk about the projector here next. So as you can see right here, we have the actual plug itself. We have a tool, just a standard screwdriver here to assemble the unit. And then right below, we have the projector itself and these little plastic lenses that I said at the beginning of the video. We're going to be engraving these little plastic lenses. As you can see, they're super reflective. And we're going to see how that turns out. This is going to be able to project it into the wall. So we're going to assemble this and show you guys all the projector. But that's pretty much it. That's all that comes in the box. Super simple, very well packaged, like all of xTool's products. I always love their packaging. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get this thing cut, and then we're going to assemble it. Alright, so as you can see, I now have all 3 sheets cut and assembled, and these all stay in place. I popped this one out of the big sheet because it was by itself, but essentially there is little tabs in here. You just pop them out. It prevents it from falling out. You can probably see it pretty good with this one as I tilt it back and forth. You can pop this whole thing out if you want, but this is something that I wanted to show you guys, that you could literally just put this right back in the box and then assemble the box just how it was, not do any work at all, and then send this off to your customer. They can then proceed to build this, stain it, paint it, whatever color they want, and then you went ahead and sold the entire kit just like that. So super cool, super high quality. I'm so glad that they put in the little tabs to give this an option to just print, pull it off the thing, put it into the box and then resend it out. That's a super cool little touch there that I wanted to share with you guys. All right, you guys, so as you can see, here's the projector. We are in darkness here. That turned out amazing. Hopefully you guys can see this really well on camera. It looks super clear, it looks awesome. This projector tool will actually spin around in circles too if you want to. It doesn't appear to have an actual power button on it, so you just plug it right into the actual outlet to use it. But overall, this is the engraving that I engraved on this, and then it's projecting it onto the wall. So that turned out really well. It's super clear. I hope you guys enjoy this product here. Let's go ahead and move on to the music box, and we'll take a closer look at that as well. All right, you guys, so as you can see, this is the music box here. Super cool, super classy looking. Really impressed with the quality of this. And then you have the removable top here, so you can actually see the parts in there if you want to see it play while you do it. Overall, this is a really cool product here. They actually sent a pre-punched out music note here. It looks like it's Swan Lake, as you can see there. We'll play this here in just a second. But they also sent this little punch tool here, and then they sent plenty of blank music sheets. So all you'll do is you'll take this little punch hole, you line it up, and then you punch out the notes that you want. So that's super cool. Let's go ahead and play this here. As you can see, it's controlled by this little remote right here. It's a little toggle switch, so you can actually control the speed that this plays as well. So I'm gonna get this started, and then I'm gonna turn it on here. As you can see, I have it in there. I'm gonna turn this little switch on, and then it's gonna start feeding. And you'll hear it start to play here in just a second. There you go. As you guys can see, it played that entire sample there, and it's feeding through the rest. I did see where they looped the two ends together. You can do that if you want to, but I don't want to take a chance and run tape through there and get it caught. But that's always a possibility too. So that's essentially what the music box looks like. It works super cool. And like I said, if you want to play the song slower, you'll just dial it down. If you want to speed it up, you'll dial it up. So that is what the control is for there. Overall, this is a really cool little product here. I'm super impressed with it. I'll go ahead and shut it off for now. And if you guys have any other questions, let me know down in the comments below. But that's pretty much it for the DIY kits. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.